At the very thought of you, a smile surrounds my face. The very thought of you commands my heart to race, and I forget the yesterdays that broke me in two, 'cause even they couldn't chase the very thought of you. At just a glance from you, my knees begin to weaken. At a glance from you, I have a rough time speaking, 'cause I feel 100 things and say just a few, but each one begins with the very thought of you. At the thought of you, the loneliness is shattered, and I can see what mattered all along. I'm not too sure about too much, 'cause people change too fast, but you're in control, and in my soul the memory will always last. Because at the very thought of you, the stars applaud above me, and I've dreamed that you might someday choose to love me. Could be just another dream that will never come true, but I won't let go of the veil